We have another problem coming from a Math Olympics. So we have some other problems solved already. If you want to see other Math Olympics problem, just check our playlists. So I placed them all inside the Math Olympics playlist. So just check it out later. So we have here the problem. We need to simplify this. It's actually a division of fractions. So we have one fraction here and another fraction, and we need to divide the two. That's mean we need to simplify or we divide, and of course we are given with choices, 5 choices, and the last choice is none of the above. So how would you divide fractions? That's easy, don't you think so? So step 1 is of course the division of fractions, because that is what the problem is given. So dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying it, but you need to do the reciprocal. You need to invert the second one, right? The denominator. You need to invert the denominator. And so this is the numerator. We don't need to do anything about the numerator. And for the denominator, as you can see, the denominator is 9z5 divided by 8y to the 4th. It now becomes 8y to the 4th, 9z to the 5, and it would be multiplication. So we simply invert the denominator. All right, so what happens next is we multiply the fractions, and when we multiply fractions is we simply multiply numerators and denominators. That is how we will multiply fractions. So we multiply this numerators and these denominators. So for the numerator, we multiply y squared z times 8y fourth, and that would be the answer. And what happens to the y? Because here's this 2, there's this 4, we need to add them, remember? We need to add exponents. And so we have y to the 6th. So for the numerator, we have 8y to the 6th z. What about the denominator? We multiply the denominators. So we have 2y cubed times 9z to the 5th. Do we need to add exponents? No, I don't think so, right? Because we only have y to the cube and z to the 5th. So we only need to multiply 2 times 9, which is 18. And the denominator, the product would be 18y cubed z5. Now let's put them back together again. So we have here our simplified numerator and denominator. Let us see what we can do. In here, we can simplify the coefficients. We have 8 and 18. We can simplify that into 4/9. What else can we do? We can simplify as well y, because we have here 6, we have here 3. And what do we do with the exponents when we divide? We subtract the exponents. So we have 6 minus 3. Therefore, y can be simplified as y to the 3rd. And that would be it. Can we simplify z? Let's look at the z. Yes, of course, we have to the power 1, and z, the denominator is 5. So we simply subtract 1 minus 5. So for the z, we subtract this as 1 minus 5, or z to the negative 1/4. We can put z back to the denominator to become positive. So it would be, so z to the negative 4 is just equal to 1 over z to the positive 4. So these two are the same. You need to remember that. Then combine both. So we have here the coefficients. We have here the y, which we have simplified, and we have here the z, which we have simplified. And finally, the answer is 4y cubed over 9z to the 4th. Do we find this one in our choices? That's actually option A. And that's it. That's how you simplify or divide the fractions. Just remember the steps. When you divide fractions, you need to take the reciprocal of the denominator. If you have some questions, just leave your comments below, and don't forget to give me a like or give me a follow if you haven't followed yet, and check the playlist for all the Math Olympics problem. Right, see ya.